You're paying for 3 different streaming services, but you're only seeing half the library. That "not available in your region" screen is basically a digital wall telling you that your subscription isn't good enough. You sit down after a long day, popcorn ready, only to find the movie you want is locked away just because of your zip code. It isn't just about movies either. It's about blocked shopping deals and insecure connections that leave your personal data wide open to anyone watching. Pure VPN is your all-access pass to the entire internet. One tap and those digital borders vanish instantly. Suddenly, you're sitting in Tokyo browsing Netflix Japan, or in London catching the live match, all while your real IP address is hidden and your connection is fully encrypted. It transforms a restricted web into a global playground in seconds. It's like having a VIP pass for every corner of the digital world. Stop letting your location dictate what you can watch or buy. Grab the annual plan right now to lock in a massive discount. It is significantly cheaper than paying month to month. Click the link in the description to sign up and start using Pure VPN to unlock the world immediately.